A flood watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 53 degrees under sunny skies.
I am a poster girl with no poster. I am 32 flavors and then some, and I'm beyond your peripheral vision. So you might wanna turn your head, 'cause someday you're gonna get hungry and eat all of the words that you just said. Two flavors and then some. God help you if you aren't ugly, girl. Of course, too pretty's also your dim. 'Cause everyone harbors a secret of hatred for the prettiest girl in the room. And God help you if you are a phoenix and you dare to rise up from the ash. 1,000 eyes will smolder with jealousy. Ryan, you are just flying past.
Today, sunny to partly cloudy. High 65. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy skies this evening will become overcast overnight. Low 55. Winds southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Wednesday, cloudy with gusty winds. High 84. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
I never try to give my life meaning by demeaning you. And I would like to state for the record, I did everything that I could do.